installing this wig. This wig was purchased from Amazon. I will be listing the vendor down below. I already bleached the knots and I did some light plucking, even though it doesn't look like it. I did do a lot of plucking, but we're gonna go ahead and install this bad boy. Caitlyn hair. It's an afro kinky curly wig. It's a 4x4 closure. It's 20 inches and it's 150% density. I like the hair straight out the package. It's super soft. I've washed it. I washed it before I put it on my head. Before you know, I never used to wash wigs. I used to just bleach the knots and not wash the hair, but I'm gonna start washing my wigs because look how soft the hair is. Like, even right here, it's so freaking soft. I am going to take this Ruby Kisses foundation, and I'm gonna go in on the lace with that because the lace is very light and I need it to be my color. So I'm just dabbing, and this is in level 14. Honestly, I really don't know what my proper color is in this, but I've tried so many and I think I finally just settled on 14 for now. So yeah, just do a little bit because you don't want to do too much, then it'll affect how long the glue is gonna stick for. So the glue that I'll be using today is this Walker Tape Ultra Hold glue. I usually do the bold hold, but the bold hold hasn't been acting right for some reason. Like, it literally lifts after a few days. So I'm going to try this one. This is the maximum wear and it says 3 to 5 weeks, which we all know is a lie. But yeah, I'm gonna follow the directions this time because this glue is very tricky. So it says before bonding, prepare skin with alcohol, max hold sport, 2 thin layers of adhesive, and blow dry until tacky. So now we're going to apply the glue. To make it easier on myself, I'm just gonna mark where I want the glue to be with like a little brown pencil. And I'm also gonna mark the sides right here. And then I'm gonna start gluing. And I did attach the bands in the back just so it's really has a really snug fit. So let's go ahead and apply the glues. This glue is so messy, guys. I honestly wouldn't recommend it, but bow hold isn't working for me right now, so this is why I'm trying this one, because I need my wig to stay. Okay, so I'll say that's the first thin layer. Ooh. Draw this bad boy back down. Okay, and then we're gonna do the second thin layer. And I'm just using my fingers to smooth out the glue. Okay, so now I'm going to lay it down. You want to make sure you cut in a zigzag motion. Yeah, I'm going to the grocery store.
I can't hear.
I'm going to the grocery store.
Oh, like in this part of town?
Yeah, I just gotta get some lemon.
Oh, you're gonna come back?
My salmon, yeah.
You look so cute, and those Zara shoes are perfect. Can I look at these?
Yeah.
Oh my god, these are new.
Yeah.
Are these the ones Travis Scott wears or no? That same style, right? Girl, that's skin.
I don't know. I don't really.
I thought you had
I've
them
never
in.
seen Travis Scott wearing Jordans.
Oh, that's because he always looks like he's homeless. Even though it's quote unquote high fashion. You colored that wig or someone gave it to you?
Oh, someone gave it. I got sent it.
That's cute. You installed it yet or no?
No, I didn't install it yet.
Ooh, that's gonna be bad on you. That looks like what you were looking for with the other one that you got, right? The
Yeah,
brown?
I wanted the roots to be black.
Yeah, that's cute. Alright, well, I'll just call you. I think my house keys are on this car.
Alright.
But I'm gonna grab
So I just wanted to show you guys the hair wet versus dry. This is the side that it's wet, and this is the side that is dry. You can see it's a huge difference as far as the length. Like, it's definitely looking like a bob back here, but I like it like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put like some Eco Styler gel because I want it to stay like longer instead of like how it looks as a bob. So this is how it's looking after you put the scarf on. Super flat, just how I like it. You can fill in your part a little more if you want to, but thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful night. If you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and tap that subscribe button. See you guys later.